unboxing natin yung ating delivery from Shopee. Ayan. Ano to guys? Grilling. Ang grill. Ayan. So, steady ka lang dito. So, buksan natin siya guys. Ang laman ng ating grill. Para pag-iit tayo ng barbecue or pork or fish. So, yung open natin. Oh, maganda siya guys. Then, this one. Okay. So, ito siya. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Then, ito. Ayan. Maganda siya guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung ayan ng charcoal. There. Then, this is the yung kawan niya guys. Ang ganda lang. Mura lang siya guys sa Shopee. Lord ni Ramir. So, yan. Makakapag-ihaw na tayo. So, this is it. This is our grilling guys. Order from Shopee. So, thank you for watching. Thank you to my husband, Ramir Balanggi, to order these items. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so updated kayo sa aking mga videos. Bye!